Within VRTrust, you can create listing groups. A listing group is a collection of multiple listings, where the parent can be a listing in of itself. The child listings within the group keep receiving their own reservations, fees, and expenses just like normal. But your owner statements and reports roll up together at the group level. To start, go to the Listings page and navigate to the Listings tab. Once you're on the Listings Overview table, listing groups will look like this Monica Road example. You see the listing group name and the child listings below it. The owner and business model are assigned at the group level. Management commissions and fees can also be applied at the group level, but these don't automatically apply to the child listings within the group. This allows property managers to set different rates for individual units within a larger property if needed. Keep in mind that only listings with the same owner can be grouped together. Let's say we want to put Shady Hill Lodge and the Buffalo Lodge into a group. We click Add Listing. From here, we select the Group tab at the top, enter a name for the group, an address, and select the listings. You also need to select the owner. You can also go ahead and add any opening balances, an owner reserve amount, or fees here. Click Save Changes. Now, in the table, we have both listings nested under our Lodges group. Next, we'll see how this will appear on an owner statement. Navigate to the Statements page. Instead of showing the individual listings, we can see the Monica Road listing group in the table. This statement includes a breakout of financials by listing and by reservation. So we can see the revenue, fees, and totals for each listing, as well as the total net revenue and expenses for the combined listings. In VRTrust, you can also create expenses and assign them to a listing group. To do this, navigate to the Expenses page. Click Add Expense. We'll add an expense line and assign it to our Monica Road listing group. From here, you can create the expense as you normally would. Once saved, this expense will be recorded to the listing group and appear on the appropriate owner statement. Now let's review how listing groups show up on reports. On the Profit and Loss report, when filtering by listings, you can select the listing group from the dropdown. This also applies to the General Ledger Overview, the Trust Reconciliation by Listing report, and the Trust Reconciliation report under the Owner Payables section. Here, you can see the Monica Road listing group and the total is grouped together. The Balance Sheet, Guest Balances report, Reservation Lodging and Occupancy Tax report, Owner Statement Summaries, and Trial Balance report remain unchanged. If you want to remove a listing from a group, simply select it from the Listings Overview table and click Remove from Group. Now, you can see this listing called Shady Hill Lodge is on its own, and only Buffalo Lodge is still in the group. You can also create a group from a listing. For example, we can click on this listing to open the Detail page, then click the ellipses in the upper right-hand corner. From the drop-down, select Turn into Group and assign listings within that group. Keep in mind that once a listing is turned into a group, it cannot also be added as a child. This is why Blazing Group doesn't appear in this drop-down. Once a listing has locked financials, meaning published owner statements or locked accounting activity, you can't move it into or out of a group. If you want to add listings to a group but they already have published statement history, contact our support team for help.